from a data engineer position. Now I'm currently working as a data scientist in my current organization.
Welcome to the feedback session. So could you please start by introducing yourself?
Okay, so my name is Dipesh Nigam. I have 7 years of software industry experience, primarily in the field of data engineering. And my skill sets include Spark, big data platforms like Hive, Impala, ingestion tools like Kafka, and NoSQL database like HBase.
So which course did you take and what was the objective behind it?
I opted for the data science course, the architect data science course provided by Intellipaat. And as I'm currently working in the field of data engineering, I wanted to upgrade my skill set to include data science in my portfolio. And this was the prime objective of this course.
So why did you choose Intellipaat over others?
I already had a positive feedback ranging from the instructor-led trainings, study materials, hands-on experience, and the industry level project which are conducted by the Intellipaat, and hence I opted for Intellipaat.
That's great. So could you please tell us about the trainer that took your sessions?
Means the backbone of any training institute are their instructors, and Intellipaat has one of the best instructors in the market, having vast industry experience in their field of specialization.
So we would really like to know your success story. So could you please tell us about it?
Yeah, sure. A lot of data science positions are coming up in the market, as well as in the current organization, and the people are working. One such requirement came in my organization, but this required some level of expertise in the field of data science. So in order to grab that opportunity, I had, instead of Googling the entire course in online, I got a tailor cut course by the Intellipaat, which not only saved a lot of my time, but also helped me while working in the real world project.
So did you have any career transition after enrolling into Intellipaat?
Yes, from a data engineer position. Now I'm currently working as a data scientist in my current organization.
How can you describe Intellipaat in a sentence?
One-stop solution for your career upgrade.
That's great. That's great. Thank you so much, Dipesh. That's all for the session today. Thank you so much for this great feedback.